This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your applications are not opening on your Android phone. So this could be just a quick little glitch, but if you go to the switcher right here, you could try closing all your different apps down through here. If you scroll all the way to the left, we can just go to close all. We could try opening up that way. Otherwise, go to the top right and go to settings. And this way probably works the best. Just going down to where it says apps. Choose the application you're having an issue with. So it could be just Adobe, for example. We can go to this, and we try going to force stop if it's open. Go to force stop, and then try opening it up. You can go to open right here. Otherwise, go to storage, and just go to clear cache right here, and then go to clear data if it's still not working from there. Now, when you go to clear data, it's going to say that it's going to delete some things, but it's not going to delete the app. It's probably going to like sign you out and stuff. So you might have to sign back in with the email address and password. So you can just look at that before. Right here it says, will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. So just make sure you have your email at hand and your password. But just go to clear cache right here. Most of the time that does it. And then we can go back to open. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.